So today we have a guest here. His name is Bassam, and he's gonna teach us 5 exercises for abs. And also it would be for you is a nice opportunity to learn from this one of the great personality here in. So let's see.
So
yes.
I will talk about the rules about the abs, how to get the abs. So the first rule, abs are made in the kitchen, how they say.
All right.
So the first thing, it's all about dieting. We all have abs, but the thing is that the fat is covering our abs. Yes. So the first thing we need to know to get the abs, that is, we need to have good diet.
All right.
That's the first thing.
Yes.
The second thing, the exercise. Some people, they think if they train a lot, doing a lot of abs, so they will get abs. That's not happening.
Right.
So it's only improving the muscles. It's like any other muscles. So that's the thing.
Yes.
We can start like home exercises. This is for all people. They can do it home. They don't need fitness or gym or anything.
Yes.
So, and there is also advanced exercises, but we can start for beginners and normal people who want to.
Okay.
Okay, we can start now. Maybe I can give more, but you don't need to do it all one time, you know. You can choose part of some exercises to do it. It's enough. For me, I think if you train the abs from 2 to 3 times per week, it's enough, because you know the abs, when you do, if you are doing like squats, deadlift, some exercises, it's also working all time. And abs are very important if you want to improve with the weight. Because that's the core, it's give you the power and strength to carry more weight. So it's very important. I hope you will like it and you will see the effects on your abs.
Do it.
So we can start 10 times, just half, going like half, not full. Mostly you can do it like this, 3 series from this exercise, or if you are advanced, you can combine. I will show you all the exercise in one time. It will be more difficult. So you don't stop, you do one another, one by one. So let's say this is 10 times, and then you can do 10 times like this. So you go a little bit up. The most important that you control, when you go up, try always to push on your abs. Not with your shoulder, not with your neck. Try always to push in your abs.
So we have to just only
focus, yes. Try always when you go up, first thing, push with your abs up. So when we finish this 10 times, now we go full 10. For me, it's not comfortable with these shoes, but I'm trying. So 10 times. And the breathe, you need to control the breathe also. So when you push, you exhale.
All right.
Then you breathe when you go back. So always when you're pushing, you always exhale. And then when you finish this 10, you can now do just quart, and you push hard on your top of your ab. So you will feel the pain here. Don't go up, no, just your head a little bit and your little bit shoulder, but not all your body. And try. It's like you're swimming. You feel it? And you're so this is 4 exercises. You can do it one time, and you can do like 10, 10, 10, 10, and when you finish, you rest, and then you can do another series or 3, 4 times. It's okay. Or if it's difficult for you, like you're a beginner, you can just start like each of these. You can do it like 10 times or till 20 if you can. Sure. So this is one of exercise. We can work also a little bit on obliques.
All right.
So what we can do, you can put one leg like this and one arm behind your head, and then you try to go with your oblique to push on it, yeah? So you don't move your legs or something, you go to your knee and you go back. So also you can do 10 times or more if you can do it. This is for beginners. We can make it a little bit harder for people advanced, so they can do in one series 30 times like this, and then when they reach 30 times they can do pumping up. So what they do, just like half reps, this is after 30 times, just 20 times pumping up, and you will feel the effect. Yeah, that's what I'm talking. That's a little bit more difficult. Then you finish, you switch with the legs, same thing, one arm behind your head, and you can put another hand here so you can feel the effect of exercise. It's always good to put your hand in the part of what you are exercising. You can feel better and you will give more signal to your brain to know that you are working on that side, that part of your body. Yeah, so do it and you will feel more effect on that part. Also, like we say, you can do it 10 times, 15 times, 4 sets, or you can do it 30 times, one time, and then just 20 times pumping up if you are a little bit advanced. And you can do it like 2-3 sets like this. So when you reach 30, try to pump it up. It's like half reps, and you push hard on your obliques. Yeah. Finish 30 times? Yeah. You didn't pump it up. Okay. There is another also good exercise for abs. So this is a little bit more advanced. So you go up, touch your toes, and you go with your legs back, and then you go again. So you go 1 and 2. 1 and 2. There is one thing people they don't know. They think there is upper abs and lower abs. But in fact, the study showed that it's only one muscle. So when you train upper or you train lower, so you train all the abs. So there is nothing, because it's all one muscles. So there is nothing called lower ab or upper ab. So everything what you're doing, it's effectively on all your abs. So that's one of exercise. There is another one. It's also a little bit difficult. You put legs up and you touch your toes. You go back. So you can do, if you are advanced, you can do 30 times like this. And then when you reach 30 times, you can do 20, just pumping up like half reps. You don't go back, just half reps. That's a little bit more harder. So that's one of my favorite exercises. It's more effective. That's for home. You don't need to have fitness or something. You can do it anytime. Yeah. Also, we can do another exercise for obliques. So you put your legs beside, one hand in front, and then one hand behind your back and your head, and you try. You can go like this if you're a beginner, or you can go with your legs if you are more advanced. Also, you can do 10 times, 15 times, 4 sets, or if you are a little bit advanced, you can do 30 times and then you just pump it up 20 times. So you go easy 30 times, go back. So when you finish 30 reps, you just pump it up half reps 20 times. So how's it going? Struggling. Yeah, that's what we are. That's the target. We are working on our obliques. So now we switch to other side. So one hand straight on the floor, and the other hand behind your back, your head, and the knees to each other. So we say if it's difficult, you can just try to go with your upper body. If you are advanced, you can go with legs and your upper body. So you can do 15 times 4 sets, or you can do 30 times every set with 20 half reps. Yes, good. Okay, so mostly those one of recommend exercises effectively on all your kind of muscles. You can do also one of good to end with these exercises, blind. So you can hold for 1 minute, or if you can do it more. So the most important, your back is straight. So, and you hold, try to hold, push on your abs. So that's one of very good exercises to end with your abs. There is also other exercise with the weights or with the machines. We can also do that. With today, yes. So that's of some.
With your experience, was really.
You feel
and I feel
fire and exactly. I tried with all these years to put all my experience in the effective exercise. So to not be that too much, but in compared like in short exercise, but to feel the most effect. So believe me, I know some people do using a lot of weights when they are doing abs. Give them this exercise, they can do it. They will stop in the half of.
And it was an honor to have you here.
It's my pleasure also to help people for the best results, to have the best body. Really.
He's Bassam. He's one of the greats bodybuilders here.
So.
Yes.
Yeah, next week. Next Sunday is my competition, so hopefully I'm a little bit flat now because I'm with little bit food, no carbohydrate that much, so I'm flat. I can't wait till I finish the competition.
So then I hope this video was for you is valuable video, and we will see you back in the next week.
I want to thank my friend Jamil for inviting me for that, and hopefully you guys try to follow us and see the other videos that we made. It's for you, and for you.